Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to cash out my Sweatcoin money. So in order to cash out, you just have to launch your Sweatcoin mobile application first. Here you will be able to see this shop tab in the bottom, so you need to tap on shop. Once you do this, you will be landed on the Sweatcoin shops page, where you will be able to see various types of tabs in the top, like gadget, partners, fashions, beauty, travel, etc. So in whichever niche you are interested, you just have to select that particular tab, and then you will be able to see various offers associated in it. So as you can see that in the Sweatcoin application, I'm getting the 1 month Kindle unlimited free trial for new customers. So if you want to redeem this offer, then you just have to swipe in the bottom, and then it will show you that you will be able to confirm it for free. Here some of the offers are absolutely for free, but on some of the applications or offers you just have to spend your Sweatcoins. So you just have to tap on the confirm button, and then after waiting for some time, it will show you the code in front of you, and it will also ask you to go to their website, where you will be able to easily redeem this offer. Similarly, if you come back and select any other tab in the top, let's say I have selected digital, and in the digital I'm going to get this cyber ghost VPN offer. So as you can see that if I want to redeem this offer, then I'm going to get 82% off plus 3 months free with cyber ghost VPN. So again, if you want to redeem this offer, then you just have to swipe in the bottom, and you will be able to easily cash out your Sweatcoin money. I hope this video was helpful, and if it was, then don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching.